So I'm just going to start wheeling. Let me just get you a bit closer so you can see this. Hi everyone, so today's video is going to be the Sleek Nano Brow Disc. Now, I'm assuming this is pretty new. I saw it on Instagram and the first thing I wanted to do is head over to Boots and try it for myself. Because, I mean, I've not tried it yet, but I'm going to. So yeah, I've got the shade medium brown. I think there's quite a few shades. I will put them on the screen somewhere. But yeah, this is meant to be basically like a disc that you draw on your brows and you get the look you desire. So let's just get straight into it. This was $7.99, which instantly I'm thinking that's a little bit overpriced for a sleek brow product. Maybe like $5.99. But yeah, so this is the little wheel that you can see. I'm just going to show you on my hand. Honestly, first impression, it is like water. Now, how are you expecting to put something... So that's the colour, medium brown. To be fair, probably a really good match for me. If I just draw one wheel... Oh! See, you can get a very precise line. Let me just get a mirror. So I'm just going to start wheeling. Let me just get you a bit closer so you can see this. So I'm just going to start wheeling the products, okay? So let's start under here. Oh, I got it a bit underneath. God, it is so watery. Also, it's got like the little lines in there. I'm guessing to wipe off the excess product. Let's go. Oh my God, it is so weird. I think I'm going too much. I mean, I guess the fact that it's watery means that you can easily get rid of your mistakes, but I don't know how long this is going to last. Just going to keep dipping in. I think the colour's great. Oh my God, I think I put too much on. Let's see if we can get some like hair-like strokes. I'm guessing it would be good for hair-like strokes, right? Just going to take off some of the product and see if we can. Oh my God, it is so hard to be precise. Wow, that is dark. Maybe a light brown would have been good. Right, okay. I'm just going to wait a minute and I'm going to see if this sets because it's seeming very liquidy on first application, which means that you've got to be... Oh my God, why is my brow so dark? Do you know what? If you like a dark brow and you like a really sort of nice framed brow, I don't think that would be bad at all. I think I've gone way too dark. I could have probably got away with the lighter shade. So that's obviously the difference. Wow, okay, let's go on with the other side. Do you know what? I was ready, and I'll be honest, I was ready to do the worst review when it came to this. I was like, I swatched it on my hand, the liquid was all like, you could see it all watery. And my God, don't this look good, really? Well, put it this way, it shaped my face. The colour is questionable for me. Probably somebody who has got darker hair. I mean, to be fair though, my hair is pretty dark on its own. But honest to God, I was ready to do a bad review. I was like, nobody's going to want this. But I am not mad. Wow. Just a little tip, be very gentle with how you're applying it. Because this little wheel gets a little bit carried away. You can feel it moving as you're doing it. So just be very like mindful of that. Oh my God, what have I done? Okay, so let me just quickly summarise before we finish this video. On first application, it's definitely a little bit watery. It takes a little bit more time to get used to it because, I mean, I'm normally used to like a gel pomade or a brow gel, something quite specific. This has got sort of a watery consistency. I wish it was a little bit thicker so you had more control. But once you get the hang of it, I was able to create, like, obviously go with my brow shape and create a little bit of, you know, dimension, create a little bit of volume with it. The colours, normally I'm a medium brown in all my other products. So my Kat Von D, I think I'm a medium brown in the gel. So the fact that I went medium brown and they are very dark, just probably potentially go one shade lighter than what you think you are, because once it sets, I feel like it's definitely goes a little bit darker, because there's not a chance that like I normally go that dark with my brows, or maybe they're not even as dark as I'm